One jump ahead of the bread line, one swing ahead of the sword. I steal only what I can't afford, and that's everything.
Rap, rap, street rap, scoundrel.
Take that, try a different tack, guys.
Rip them open, round the back nice.
I can take a hint, gotta face the facts. Could really use a friend or two.
Yeah.
Another one.
Too late, y'all done wound me up. Too late, y'all done wound me up. About to show you what I'm working with. It's the Alibaba, it's the Big Papa, it's the blue, handsome, jasmine like a flower. It's the grant your wishes, it don't even cost $1. Have you gotten on the carpet when you rotten, wanna holler like, hey, tell me where you wanna go. Hold up, don't tell me I already know. Watch out, it's a genie with an attitude. 3 wishes, what I need to make true. Mister, tell me whatever you need. Anything rearrange, even climate can change. You ain't never had a friend like me. Never. Just a lamp and a rub away from whatever you want. Habibi, let me show you the dream. Just whisper if you don't wanna shout out what you need, but I promise you ain't never had a friend. Ali, fabulous, he, Ali, Ababa. Show some respect, boy, genuflect down on one knee. Now try your best to stay calm. Brush up your Friday salon. Then come and meet a spectacular coterie. Prince Ali, mighty as he, Ali Ababa. Strong as 10 regular men, definitely. He's faced the galloping hordes, 100 bad guys with swords. Who sent those ghouls to their lord? By Prince Ali.
A whole new world.